my name is Mike Schleiff, and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. Got a whiff of this maybe a year and a half ago, and I've just been on top of it since. It's been amazing. There's nothing else I can put any words to describe it. It's just everything is just awesome. It's definitely a reality check, and it's a breakthrough. I like the double sticks. I like the stick with knife technique you've been doing. That's pretty cool.
So what's it like working with Guro Ken?
The guy's awesome. I mean, it's not a lot of things you can say besides he's awesome. I mean, he's helped me ever since, I met him, I think the last weapons camp in Boston, and it's incredible. It's a great experience. Best described, repetition, dedication, just listening. Open-minded, just be completely open-minded. If you come from like a background of martial art like I have and a couple, I would just completely come open-minded and just start right from the foundation up.